In this short tutorial, I will show you how to quickly delete all screenshots on your iPhone. Sometimes, we take too many screenshots, and they end up cluttering our photo library. Deleting them one by one can be time-consuming, but with this simple trick, you can remove them all at once. To get started, open up the Photos app on your iPhone. And then tap Albums. Then scroll down, and you'll see a section called Media Types, and in that section, you'll see an option called Screenshots. Tap on it. Then tap on the Select button at the top right. Then tap on the Select All button at the top left corner of the screen. Once you've selected all the screenshots, tap on the Trash Can button at the bottom right. Then tap Delete to confirm it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.